Myths versus reality. In today's video, we're going to bust some of the common myths about trees and share with you some surprising facts that you may not know. Myth 1. Cutting down a tree always harms the environment. Fact. While it's true that deforestation and habitat destruction are serious environmental issues, sometimes cutting down trees is necessary for forest management, agriculture, and development. Trees can also be selectively harvested, which can actually benefit the forest ecosystem by promoting the growth of younger, healthier trees. Myth 2. Trees stop growing after a certain age. Fact. Trees continue to grow as long as they live, although the rate of growth may slow down as they get older. Some trees, like giant sequoias, can live for thousands of years and continue to add new growth each year. Myth 3. All trees absorb carbon dioxide at the same rate. Fact. Different types of trees absorb carbon dioxide at different rates depending on their size, age, and species. For example, younger trees generally absorb carbon dioxide at a faster rate than older trees, and conifers like pine trees absorb more carbon dioxide than broadleaf trees like oaks. Myth 4. Tree roots always grow deep into the ground. Fact. Tree roots can grow deep into the ground, but they also spread out widely near the surface to absorb nutrients and water. In fact, most tree roots are found in the top 18 inches of soil, and the majority of the root mass is located within a few feet of the soil surface. Myth 5. Trees in urban areas don't provide any benefits. Fact. Trees in urban areas provide a range of benefits, including improving air quality, reducing the urban heat island effect, and providing shade and habitat for wildlife. Trees can also increase property values and enhance the aesthetic quality of neighborhoods. Thanks for watching. We hope you've learned something new and gained a greater appreciation for these amazing living organisms that are so vital to our planet. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of trees.